Hi, I'm Dr. Berdy. I want to teach you how to use the brush properly. Many patients ask me how to brush, and I'm going to demonstrate a technique that I think will work for you very easily, and if you do it the way I show you, you will be very efficient in brushing your teeth. It doesn't matter whether you use an electric brush or a manual brush. If you look at a tooth real carefully, it's a very complex. It has many surfaces on it, and you'll want to go ahead and clean all the surfaces. So I like you to divide the tooth into 6 surfaces. 3 on the outside, 3 on the inside, plus the top. Your focus should be starting from the back, gently into the gum line at about 45 degrees to the gum and tooth. You do the back part of the tooth, then the flat part of the tooth, and then the front part of the tooth. And you start on the back and work your way systematically around. A slight wiggle back and forth into the gum line at the same time. So it's the back, the flat, and the front. Each tooth individually. If you go like this and do the whole thing, you're not going to get all the surfaces that I need to get. Many patients have problems that occur within the gum and tooth between the teeth. And so if you're not brushing into those areas adequately, you'll find that you're not cleaning them. So again, start on the back, the flat, the front. Back, flat, front. Even on the front teeth. Back, the flat, and then the front. You can see I'm using a different part of the brush. Whether it's a manual brush or an electric brush, it doesn't matter. You still have to get all these particular areas. Front teeth the same way. Back, flat, front. Upper teeth on the inside, again, way in the back. The back, the flat, and the front. Divided into 3 segments and doing that. You can see if you have 32 teeth and you're doing it that way, it's going to take you about 5 minutes to properly clean your teeth just with the brush. The brush only gets the outside of the tooth and the inside of the tooth. It does not get in between the teeth. The between the teeth part has to be done with different tools, and I will demonstrate those different tools at a different segment of this video. Again, I want you to start and do systematically. I like you to really start on the inside of your mouth and then go to the outside. But do it systematically. Whatever technique will work for you is fine for me. As you can see, there are many different kinds of brushes. We started with a very primitive brush, and now these newer brushes are much better. But they're, again, if you're not using them in the technique that I've taught you, it doesn't matter whether you use a manual brush or an electric brush. You have to be very thorough with your cleaning technique.